Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Mr. Talan. Today we are going to discuss about lexical verb and their types of lexical verb. Number one, dynamic verb, transitive verb, intransitive verb, pseudo-transitive verb, linking verb, and complement. So the types of transitive verb: monotransitive verb, ditransitive verb, and complete transitive verb. So first of all, lexical verb. What is lexical verb? Lexical verb are those verbs which have specific meaning and the whole sentence dependent. Like for example, I play cricket. And in this sentence, play is lexical verb. So number two, the types dynamic verb. Dynamic verb are those verbs which show action, movement, and take ing. Like for example, I am looking. And this sentence looking, यहाँ पे इसने कहा है कि ing ले ले और movement करें. यहाँ पे ing भी लिया है और movement भी किया है. So after this we have transitive verb. Transitive verb are those verbs which need object and which have object. Like for example, I sleep baby. And in this sentence, baby is a transitive verb. And number two, intransitive verb. Intransitive verb which don't need object and which don't have object. Like for example, I'm sleeping. After this, we have pseudo-transitive verb. Pseudo-transitive verb are those verbs which have object, but the object is don't affect of the action. Like for example, I have a car, and in this sentence, car is pseudo-transitive verb. So after this, linking verb. Linking verb are also called coupler. Are those verbs which is used to connect subject with the complement. Like for example, the tea smell awful. After this complement, there may be like for example, I was in the class. I was in the class. So we have types of transitive verb. So number one, monotransitive verb. Monotransitive verb are those verbs which has one object. Like for example, I kick the ball. And this sentence, ball is monotransitive verb. After this, ditransitive verb. Ditransitive verb which has two objects. Like for example, I kick the ball and why. So after this, complete transitive verb. Complete transitive verb which has one object but more than one complement. Like for example, I select Ahmad. I select Ahmad is a great player. And in this sentence, Ahmad is object and great and player is complement. So if you guys do have any problem or suggestion in this topic, so you contact me through our comment section. Wassalam.